question we also have collected to give you a little bit more time to think and type your questions. What if our pricing data is incomplete or messy? Can a model still work? Yeah, that's a great question. Again, I think it's really important. It doesn't necessarily you have to be complete data. I think you can also work with incomplete data, because if you touch a couple of price drivers in a model, it can still give an sensitivity score. However, messy data and unorganized data, we like to, of course, have more organized data. But on the other hand, thinking in models can give you also feedback how to organize it better. So it's a learning process. That's why we like to share our vision about hyperlearning, that we don't have the expectation that everything is already complete and organized from the beginning. But it's also a learning process. If you know which price drivers are really important for your business, you can better organize this data later on. But it's better to start with a kind of an incomplete and not 100% correct model to start with, and later on make it more complete with more organized data. So this is the learning process our customers go through.